Good evening everyone. Tayo na daw na sa ating midget division first game. This is the battle between the green team versus the purple team. Alright, first ball, makakuha ng purple. And the first ball para sa purple, galing yan kay Cardenas. Willis. Beltran, 4-3, too strong. May iba by De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Lucas, ang lalim naman naman. Rebound. By De La Cruz. Pass to Jumong. Pass to De La Cruz from elbow. In and out. Rebound by Rolo. Pass to KB. KD Volante. Volante, top of the key, 4-3. No, rebound. Makakuha ni Pilis. Cardenas, nagmamadali. Cardenas, and a steal ba? And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ng green. 4-3, damn! That's Mirador, Dominic. Correction. O tama, 3 points na po for Dominic Mirador. And a steal. Munti ka na magawa ni Dominic. Jumong. Pass to Cardenas, binigay sa corner, Lucas. Pass to KB. Oh, correction. Oh, steal. Number 8. Oh, what a nice fake. Coming from KB. KD. Volante. And out of bounds. Last touch. Bola rito ng purple. Jumong, binigay, steal. Out of bounds, last touch. Bola rito ng purple. Lucas, basket for Lucas Marquez. 5-4 in favor pa rin sa green team. Kick out. Beltran, spin, running shot, basket is good. 7-4 ang ating talaan. Jumong, pass to De La Cruz, too strong, rebound and out of bounds, last touch. Bola rito ng purple. Pass to Cardenas. Cardenas, jump shot is good. For Pilis Cardenas. Down by 6. Beltran, steal by De La Cruz. Dominic, basket. Sorry, that's Pilis Cardenas. Change favor, lamang na ang purple. Running shot, no, rebound. Pass to Lucas. Marquez. Lucas. Jumong will recover. Jumong. Cardenas. What a shot, 10-7. 3-point lead for the purple team. Number 30 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 28. Pass to Pilis. Cardenas, nagmamadali. Pass to De La Cruz. Wala. Rebound by Beltran. Beltran. Pass to Volante. Volante, sidestep. And last touch. Same ball. time remaining 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Bola rito ng green. Oh, 3. What a nice long two. Jumong. Pass to De La Cruz. Wow. 4-3, no. Rebound ng purple. Pass to Jumong. Jumong didiskarte. Jumong drive, drop pass. De La Cruz from the corner. Basket. Sorry, that's Cardenas. Sorry, that's De La Cruz. 15-9 in favor of the purple. Uy, offensive foul by Lester Rosales. Jumong, pass to Marquez, out of bounds, last touch. Substitution. Number 22 coming in. Number 20. Lester for 3, no. De La Cruz for 3, short. Nauupo pa sa ere si Dominic Merador. Basket count plus a foul by Dominic. One shot for a 3-point play. Merador, wala. And the rebound, makakuha rito ng purple. Desane, pass to De La Cruz. Pass to Desane. Cardenas for 3. Yes, para sa Terez. For Cardenas, Phyllis. Lester Rosales, didiskarte. Step back 3. Offensive foul for Lester Rosales. No good. Rosales and 1. Basket count plus a foul for Lester Rosales. Funny shot for Lester. Basket. 3 minutes and 48 seconds. Lisane, binigay sa corner. 4-3, no. Rebound by Priolo. Outlet pass. Lester Rosales and gets the foul. Foul number 1, Lisane. That's first personal foul, second team foul. Oh, correction. That is 17-15. Second shot for Lester Rosales, down by 1. Second shot for Lucas Marquez. Wide open and no good. Out of bounds. Lucas Marquez. Time out muna rito ang green team. With official score is 20-16. 4-point lead for the purple team. Tinanan muna ang handle ng green team. Time remaining 2 minutes and 32 seconds ng ating laban. Ayan, baka pwedeng pa-share po ng ating live. Maraming salamat po sa mag-share. Sa mga kakasyon naman po, please subscribe my YouTube channel and my Facebook. Kung gusto niyo po ng mga ganitong mga palabas or videos, our live games. Ayan, bonus shot for Lucas Marquez. Lucas, basket for a 3-point play, 21-16. Dominador for 3, short. Bola rito ng purple. Lisane. Cross-court pass. Number 29, no? De La Cruz, wala. And a putback for Lucas Marquez. 23-16. Volante setting on the play. Volante. Stop and pump, 4-3, walang rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz, out at pass. Danza, Lucas, kick out to Lisane. Lisane up and under. Basket is good for Lisane. 25-16. Namang pa rin ang purple. Volante na bitawan, steal. Oh, steal din by Lester. Rosales, no, rebound, Dominador with a putback. Lisane. Pass to Lucas. Lucas, Hesi. Lucas drive. No, rebound by Dominador. Pass to Lester. Rosales. Get the pick. Rosales, drive, coast to coast. Basket yan for Rosales. 25-20, down by 5. De La Cruz. Pass to Lisane. Lisane. Tie up, no good. Rebound. Oh, and a steal. Lucas, kick out. Lisane, floater, miss. And rebound by Dominador. Dominic, dire-derecho. Low pick-up drive. And there's a foul. time remaining, last 23 seconds. Wala pa po tayong penalty. Both teams, fourth team foul rather. 25-20. Pero free throw pala yun, sorry. Dominador Dominic on the free throw area. First shot is good. Second shot for Dominic. Basket. 22-25. Last 23 seconds. Lisane. Pass to De La Cruz. Back to Lisane. Lisane. Cross-court pass. Cardenas. Stop and pop. No good. Rebound again by Cardenas. Kick out. De La Cruz. Wide open. Oh. Rebound by Lester. Rosales. 4-3. And that's the end of our first period. Official score 25-22 in favor of the purple team. Lamang ng tatlo ang purple. Alright, tayo tatawa na sa ating second quarter. Alright, back to the ball game. Sorry. Shoutout pa tayo dito kay De La Cruz. Okay, back to the ball game, second quarter. Shaw miss. Rebound by Dominador. Bounce pass. Oh, what a block by De La Cruz. Rejection. Beltran, no good. Rebound by being Cardenas. Derecho. Lisane up and under. Miss. Rebound. Ooh. It's a foul. Rosales, tabla tayo sa 25. De La Cruz. Steal by Lester. Out that pass. Beltran all the way. Change favor. Lamang na ang Green Team. Cardenas. Pass to Cardenas. Using the glass. No good. Shaw. To Lisane. Lisane. Change direction. Floater. Basket for Lisane. Melocoton. 27 all. Rosales. Block. De La Cruz. Nagmamadali. Pass to Cardenas. Nabitawan. To Shaw. Cross-court pass. Lisane. Wide open. No. Rebound. Cardenas. Basket. For Pilis. Cardenas. 27-30. Oh, sorry. Correction. 29. Dominador. Riolo sa gitna. Tabla tayo sa 29. De La Cruz, pass to Lisain. Wide open, too strong, rebound. Rosales, nagmamadali. Running shot, oh, rebound by KB. Running shot, gets the bank shot, is good. 31-29, change favor. Lisain. Twenty-nine, 31, 2-point lead for the green team. Beltran, 4-3, in and out. Priolo, there's a putback, no good. Jumong, kick out. Wala. Makakuha rito. Ping. Jumong. Basta siya, crossover, nabitawan, steal. Beltran, derecho! Basket for Beltran. Time out, purple team. Official score 33-29, 4-point lead for the green team. Time remaining 6 minutes and 20 seconds on the game clock. Tayo kay Idol Mark Bryan, Mirador. Shoutout sa iyo, Coach Mark. Pinapashoutout niya si Ma'am Iza Sapo. Ayan, sa kanyang may bahay. Shoutout po, Ma'am Iza. Ayan, mami po yan ni Mami and Daddy ni Dominic Mirador of the great team. Jumong. Oh, miscommunication. Bola rito ng green. Rosales. Oh, sorry. Another Rosales pala yun. Jumong. King. Pass to Cardenas. Jump shot is good. For Cardenas. Phyllis. 31-33. Beltran. Stop and pop. 4-3. No good. The rebound. By Ping. Pass to Cardenas. Pass to Jumong. Babylona spin. Drop pass. Spin. No good. Wala pa rin. And a putback for Lucas Marquez. Tabla tayo sa 33. Uy, Lester 4-3. Yes, sir. For Lester. Rosales. Babylona. Up and under. Oh, that's a travel. Another foul for Marquez. Time remaining 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Rosales. Up and under, kick out. 4-3, no. Bad pass. Putback. 38-33. Pass Rebound by Priolo. Rosales with the spin. Rosales. Running shot. No. Rebound by Jumong. Pasok Cardenas. Running shot. Too strong. Rebound by Priolo. Priolo. Oh, Lester. Up and under. Basket. For Lester. Rosales. 40-33. Lamang pa rin po dito ang Green Team. Jumong with the cross. Jumong binigay sa corner. And out of bound last touch. Bola dito ng Green. Time remaining 3 minutes and 23. The Green Team. Time remaining 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Basket for a 3-point play. 43-33. 10-point lead for the Green. Malaki na ang kalamangan ng Green. Lucas. Reverse. No. Rebound number 28 and 1. By Pian. Di pumasok, sayang, munti ka na. Jump shot, too strong, rebound by Ting. Lucas. Time remaining 1 minute and 32 seconds. Penalty. Wala pa penalty. 39. Last 3.4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. 4-3. No! Alright, end of the second quarter. Official score at 39-45. Sa pagtatapos ng ating first half. Magbabalik tayo.